Hi, it's Bridget from Speech Therapy Talk membership, and I am here again, and we are going to discuss some of my favorite articulation materials. So as usual, let's just get right to it. So we log in. We know we go to members-speechtherapytalk.com, and today we are going to do teaching materials for articulation. So this is something I created a while ago, and I really like it. So for this, this is really just to get parents on board and to help with that generalization piece. It is key for us as speech therapists to plan for generalization. How are we going to take this skill and move it out of the therapy room? So I have 4 options for you. I have how to say the sound, so you can just click on it and you can download it here. And it says a brief overview of how we say each sound. What does our tongue, lips, teeth, jaw, breath, and voice do in a very parent-friendly format? So you can go over this with the parents or send it home, circle it, write in some notes on how to say each sound. Then I go through some common cues of how to cue for the sound. And then I'll usually circle or write in what cues we are using and what works the best. So when the parents go home, they can use those cues. I have some cue cards here that you can use during therapy sessions, send it home. It shows how to say the sound. It gives that, sound choo-choo, and how to spell it. Very important. Need to know the spelling. And then I have my warm up your muscles. So this I will usually print out once and slip it in a dry erase sleeve. And so when the child comes to my therapy session, we get our muscles ready. We review, what do we do with our lips? And I'll mark it off. Yep, you got it. What do you do with your teeth? Mark it off. We got it. What do we do with our breath, our voice, our nose, our tongue? And then we'll run through this list to warm up our tongue to get us ready for the session. So this is my teaching materials. Some of them are for in-person, some of them are parent handouts, and some of them are therapy materials. Okay, so that's our teaching materials. And since I have you here, we're going to go through all the different options for flashcards that you have. So you have lots of different options for flashcards. So under each letter, you have black and white flashcards. Now these are my absolute favorite, and they also plan for generalization, and I'll show you those last. We have colored flashcards, and then these last here are all Google Drive flashcards. Now in almost every single session on my second screen, I will bring up some Google Drive flashcards. So you just click on Access Materials, and you have your words here. You can use them in edit mode, or you can press slideshow here, and that's it. I have my flashcards on the wall. We'll be doing our game, whatever we're doing, and I don't clutter the desk with cards and organizing. Instead, all my materials are over here, and we can get right to work in a nice, organized, uncluttered fashion, which is my favorite in life. Or we have these, which goes through, it's less words, but it goes through from the word to the phrase to the sentence level. Child, the child is smiling. So you have your CH word at the word level, then we're going to add a little bit more difficulty to it, and we're going to move up to the sentence level while keeping an accurate CH. So this one is a great one for working on going from word to sentence level, is same with these black and white leveled flashcards. So this is something I may send home with the parents, or we do together, and it's the exact same thing. So you have at the word level, then move to the phrase level, then move to the sentence level. And now why I like these so much is, one, I tried to pick more high frequency words. So words a child will say, like they don't say the word cheek very much, but they might say chores, chocolate, chart, chair, chicken. And then I made sure as best as I could, it gets a little tricky with S and Z, that the CH is only in the practice word. I don't jam a bunch of CH words at the sentence level. That's too much. I want them to be successful. So we start at the word level, then the phrase and sentence level will not have the target sound besides the initial word. And that is done on purpose. And I'm a big proponent of thinking about that. We need to think about the stimuli we're giving children, and we need to set them up for success. If a child can say CH correctly in 12 different words in one sentence, they're probably done. They're almost for dismissal. If they're working on just going from the word level to the sentence level, then let's set them up for success. Let's work on that word, and then let's practice in more challenging settings or more challenging phrases. And let's set them up to be successful. Okay, so that's it. That's all I wanted to show you today, are these two options for articulation. Now we have a lot more articulation, as you can see here, and I will get to them in another video. Have a wonderful day. Again, thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate your support, for supporting me and my small business and everything that we do over here. So have a wonderful day.